Introducing Black and Decker LCS120. This cordless chainsaw is ideal for general yard work and pruning trees without the trouble of gas. This unit has an 8 inches bar and chain and can be used for both hard and soft wood. The wraparound soft grip handle offers multiple gripping positions so you can make precise cuts at virtually any angle. When you are pruning or trimming high branches or in close quarters, that flexibility helps keep fatigue at bay. This unit features a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery for lots of cutting power per charge. On a single charge it can make up to 151.5-inch diameter cuts, so you can get more done in less time. Now take a look at the features and specifications of this unit. What are customers saying about this chainsaw? Check out the customer reviews now at bestchainsawreview.com.